What if the greatest gift you could give your children wasn't something they received after you were gone? What if you could help them build, grow, and create wealth while you're still here to guide them? Many parents spend their entire lives working hard, building businesses, buying assets, and saving money with one goal: I want to leave something behind for my children. And that's a beautiful goal. But there is another question we should ask. Why wait until after you're gone for your children to benefit from the wealth you've created? A legacy is more than just an inheritance. A legacy is knowledge. A legacy is opportunity. A legacy is teaching the next generation how to manage, protect, and multiply what you've built. Many families use tools like trusts and estate planning strategies to help protect assets and create a plan for transferring wealth. The purpose isn't just to pass down money. The purpose is to pass down opportunities. Imagine being able to help your child start their first business, purchase equipment, invest in real estate, pay for education, launch a passion project, or build something that creates income for their future. The difference between leaving an inheritance and building a legacy is preparation. An inheritance can be received, but a legacy is developed. When you involve your children in conversations about business, finances, and wealth building, you're giving them something money alone cannot provide: the ability to understand how wealth works. Many successful families don't just ask, how much money can I leave my children? They ask, how can I prepare my children to manage what I leave them? Because wealth without knowledge can disappear. But wealth combined with education, structure, and guidance can create opportunities for generations. Your legacy isn't something that begins when you pass away. Your legacy begins with the decisions you make today. Start having conversations. Start teaching financial principles. Start creating a plan, because the goal isn't just to leave something behind. The goal is to help the next generation move forward. What is one thing you want your children or grandchildren to learn about wealth? Comment below. Disclaimer: trusts and estate planning strategies should be created with guidance from qualified legal and financial professionals based on your specific situation.